What's going on today, guys? Welcome back to another freaking video. Today's video we're going to be using this micro mini filthy frog from Googan, and then we're going to be using Pure Passion slim shake worm from Googan. Guys, y'all stay tuned in. I got one on the Googan worm. Oh my god, he's a decent one. Set my drag. He's good. He's a decent one. Let's go. On the Googan. On the Googan.
Googan sucks, bud.
He's decent. Fuck. Yes, sir. Let's get a good release on this guy. Guys, when I tell y'all the water is freaking disgusting out here, I was further back that way. It's like people throwing like sewage waste in this freaking lake.
Sharon and Big Mike over here having a play date.
I'm on, guys. I got another one. Don't get off. Stop flipping out the water. On the Googan. Stop flipping. Oh, no, this guy's not getting off. Shit. The other one.
Why'd you gut hook him?
Yeah, we got it. We saved him. We freaking saved him. Let's freaking go. Get out of here, buddy. All right, guys, not unfortunately today, but we did catch two decent sized fish today. The Googan worm one, of course. Make sure if y'all are new here, y'all hit that freaking follow button. And this video is gonna go on YouTube as well, so if you watch on YouTube, y'all hit that freaking subscribe button. Until next time, peace.